Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. This chapter is on how to change the door seal. Door seals and catches are consumable oven parts that can be bought online at the replacement parts section of the Genlab website. It is important to note that some replacement parts, such as elements or temperature controllers, require engineers, and Genlab have a network of service engineers that are available to help. Firstly, look on the website to select the door seal which suits your oven size. The seals are manufacturer approved, and we do not recommend using other similar seals as they could potentially make the oven unsafe. You will require a flathead screwdriver and the replacement door seal. Use the flat-headed screwdriver to gently prise a gap in the existing rubber seal and the door plate. Lever the screwdriver under the door plate, lift it up, and then pop it out of the seal and remove it. Take the existing door seal and pull it away from the door and discard it. Take the replacement door seal and present it to the door halfway down one side. Working your way round the door, put the seal on and push it firmly into the corners as much as possible. Put the door plate back into the seal at an angle and then push one side firmly into place. Gently work round the door, pulling the edges of the seal so that the door plate is seated back into it. Once the seal is all seated correctly, the door can now be secured back onto the unit. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.